Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to join a FaceTime call on your Android phone using the link provided by your friend or family member on iOS 15 devices. Due to the new update in Apple devices, iOS 15 now allows non-iOS devices to join FaceTime calls using a link. The link can be opened on an Android phone, Windows tablets, and Windows machine. So once your friend or family member have sent you a link on email or a message app, it'll look like this. Tap on it and then your phone browser should open up. As you can see, it gives you a warning that this browser is not supported. This is an Android 11 stock browser which the link has opened up in. Go ahead and tap on continue anyway. Now FaceTime will ask you to enter your name to join the conversation. Enter your name and then press continue. Then tap on join at the top right. Now on the person's iPhone who invited you, they will get a notification asking if the person can be allowed in. The person needs to tap on the tick to allow the person to join the call. This will then start off the FaceTime call between the iPhone user and a non-iPhone user. Same process can be followed on a Windows machine where you have to open the link on the Google Chrome browser or your Firefox, and then enter in your name and then press join. The person who invited you must allow in before you can start a FaceTime call. And that is how you can join a FaceTime call on your Android phone or any other non-Apple device. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and enable bell notifications for future videos. Also make sure you hit that like button if you found this useful and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.